Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video about Avalanche. Torrential Slides local token AVAX fell by 41.4%, Binance information showed. Financial backers dread non-benefit Luna Foundation Guard, LFG, a substance made to defend USD's dollar stake, will begin unloading its AVAX possessions, having drained its Bitcoin, BTC, holds in an ineffective endeavor to repeg USD. LFG reserve information showed the association held almost 2 million AVAX available for later, starting around 12 May. It was a little more than a month prior that Avalanche allies cheered the news that LFG would add AVAX worth $200 million to its USD save. Having seen AVAX exit the main 10 cryptographic forms of money list because of a close to 60% drop over the most recent 7 days, numerous financial backers will be contemplating whether the time has come to purchase the plunge. In light of tolerance, we have assembled an investigation to assist you with checking on AVAX's true capacity for 2022 and then some. Here you will find data you really want to assess the fate of Avalanche coin and to conclude regardless of whether AVAX could worth put resources into. In the blockchain world, adaptability and speed are among the vitally specialized obstacles for decentralized finance (DeFi) ventures to go standard. Savvy contract stages like Avalanche, AVAX, and Solana, Sol, have been chipping away portion of the overall industry from leader Ethereum, ETH, by offering clients lower gas expenses and quicker exchanges. Torrential Slide professes to be the quickest savvy contract stage in the blockchain business, as estimated by time to absolution. As per Avalanche, time to irrevocability is the time a client needs to stand by to get affirmation that an exchange made on the blockchain won't be changed or dropped. Torrential Slide plans to accomplish low idleness, high exchange throughput and versatility by means of its local Snow convention, which joins the properties of traditional agreement convention and Nakamoto agreement. As indicated by Avalanche's white paper, old-style agreement convention offers low inertness and high throughput, however dislikes adaptability because of its dependence on all-to-all correspondence to arrive at agreement. The white paper added that the Nakamoto agreement utilized by verification of work networks like Bitcoin experience the ill effects of high latencies, low throughput and steady energy necessities. What is Avalanche coin, AVAX? AVAX is the local coin on the Avalanche stage. It's utilized for marking, on-chain administration and exchange charges on the organization. AVAX is likewise expected to make or join a subnet. Torrential Slide requires a validator to stake at least 2,000 AVAX. Delegators who need to take an interest in marking can decide to stake with a current validator by committing at least 25 AVAX. As per its Torrential Slide is expressed that while AVAX is covered, the rate at which the coin arrives at its most extreme limit is dependent upon administration. Torrential Slide's white paper additionally said, the ostensible prize rate for marking is dependent upon administration inside pre-laid out limits. This will permit token holders to pick on whether $AVAX is at last covered, uncapped, or even deflationary. Up until the crypto market slump of May 2022, of which the breakdown of the Terra environment was a significant impetus, AVAX held its place among the main 10 most important digital forms of money. Starting around 12 May 2022, AVAX has tumbled to become 12th most important crypto in the wake of dropping more than 75% year to date to float above $28. Most of the misfortunes have come over the most recent 7 days, as a negative gamble resource market welcomed on by souring worldwide money-related conditions, and the breakdown of the Terra biological system pulled Avalanche token down 56%. Nonetheless, Avalanche's environment is in a general areas of strength for sense. It has the third most absolute worth locked, TVL, at $4.49 billion, starting around 12 May, after Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain, as per information from Defilama. Torrential Slide's developing prominence has drawn numerous Ethereum-based DeFi conventions, including loaning stage AV and liquidity pool network Curve to its organization. As per research organization Masari, Avalanche kept all-time highs in TVL dynamic locations, everyday exchanges and market capitalization in the last quarter of 2021. It was helped by the arrival of an Ethereum Avalanche span, trade postings, high-profile organizations and the Avalanche Rush liquidity program. Worldwide companies like Deloitte and MasterCard joined forces with Avalanche in 2021. In November 2021, Deloitte marked an arrangement with AVALANCHE to foster another fiasco recuperation stage that utilizes the Avalanche blockchain to assist state-run administrations with getting government crisis subsidizing. Later in December 2021, AVALANCHE was chosen by MasterCard to join its MasterCard Start Path Crypto, a plan devoted to investigate new blockchain innovation advancement open doors. At the hour of compassing, 12 May, a momentary Avalanche crypto cost expectation from CoinCodex gauge the cost could rise 0.5% to $29.43 by 17 May. Specialized markers showed that ongoing feeling for AVAX as negative, while the apprehension and eagerness file was intense trepidation. In light of our Avalanche conjecture, it's presently a terrible opportunity to purchase Avalanche, said CoinCodex. In the interim, wallet investor anticipated that its cost should arrive at a normal of about $92 toward the finish of 2022. It saw the AVAX token value moving to a typical cost of more than $156 toward the finish of 2023 and $219 toward the finish of 2024. As per price predictions of AVAX United States dollar projection, the coin could hit a normal cost of $118.2 in 2022. The Avalanche cryptographic money was seen dramatically increasing to a typical cost of $377 by 2025. Value predictions future cost for AVAX remained at a typical worth of $729.37 by 2027. Will AVAX coin go up or down? Starting around 12 May, Digital Coins AVAX estimate anticipated that the token should exchange at a typical cost of $38.39 in 2022. It saw the symbolic moving to a typical cost of $58.44 in 2025 and hitting $136.8 in 2030. How high can Avalanche coin go? Computerized Coins AVAX conjecture anticipated that the token should exchange at a typical cost of $38.39 in 2022. It saw the symbolic moving to a typical cost of $58.44 in 2025 and hitting $136.8 in 2030. While searching for Avalanche coin cost forecasts, remember that experts and calculation-based expectations can be off base. Projections depend on basic and specialized investigations of the AVAX past execution.